All right, let's lock in on one verse. No bouncing around, no cross references, just this. 2 Chronicles chapter 15, verse 7. But as for you, be strong and do not lose courage, for there is reward for your work. Now, let's handle this right. This wasn't written to alcoholics and addicts. It wasn't written to a 12-step recovery group. It wasn't written to you sitting on your couch right now as you watch this, fighting a craving. It was spoken to King Asa during a season of spiritual reform. Judah had drifted, idols everywhere, compromise normalized, God sidelined. And a prophet stands up and says, in essence, if you seek the Lord, you'll find him. If you abandon him, you'll feel that too. And then he says, but as for you, now that part is personal. Not as for the culture, as for your friends, as for your spouse, as for your church. Not any of those. It says, as for you. Recovery, good people, it starts there. Because if I'm speaking for me, I used to blame everything except for me. Stress, career pressure, expectations. But sobriety didn't begin for me until it became as for you. And then you have the command after that. Be strong, not emotionally numb, not pretending you're okay, not flexing willpower. In the context, strength meant continuing the reform. Keep tearing down idols, keep cleansing the land, keep restoring worship. Strength was sustained obedience. For me, strength looked like waking up sober. Another day when I didn't even want to face that day. Strength looked like telling the truth about my drinking. Strength looked like sitting in discomfort instead of escaping it. Strength is not loud, good people. Strength is consistency. Then it says, do not lose courage, which tells me something important. It tells me that courage isn't always there. Courage fades. Reform is exhausting. When Asa began cleaning house spiritually, it wasn't a clean fix. It wasn't a quick fix. He had to remove long-standing patterns. He had to confront what had been tolerated for years. That's what recovery feels like, good people. You're not just quitting a drink. You're dismantling a system, a coping pattern, a ritual, a false sense of comfort. And somewhere along the way, discouragement creeps in. You think, why is this still so hard? Why am I still tempted? Why don't I instantly feel differently? Losing courage doesn't start with relapse. It starts with fatigue. The verse doesn't say, don't ever feel weak. It says, don't lose courage. There's a difference. Courage isn't the absence of struggle, good people. It's staying in the fight. And then comes the line that keeps me steady, good people. It says, for there is reward for your work. Now, let's not twist this. You know how we do. In Asa's time, the reward was national stability and peace under God's favor. This is not a blank check for comfort, good people. It's not a promise that life gets easy. It's principle. It's a principle. Faithful reform bears fruit. When you tear down idols, something healthier grows in its place. I didn't see the reward immediately when I got sober. What I saw first, I saw discomfort. I saw vulnerability. I felt vulnerability. But slowly but surely, clarity returned, peace returned, self-respect returned, trust started rebuilding, not overnight, not magically, but steadily. The work that I was putting in with the strength of God mattered. And that's the lesson. Recovery is work. It's not salvation work. Christ already did that. But obedience work, daily work, quiet work, unseen work. And this verse says that work is not wasted. So if you're in a season where you feel like you're just grinding, just surviving, just resisting one urge at a time, Hear the text clearly. As for you, take responsibility. Be strong. Stay obedient. Don't lose courage. Even, or maybe especially when you're tired, there is reward, even if you can't see it yet. Reform takes time. Idols don't fall in a day, but every sober decision is a brick in a new foundation. And the word of God, not hype, not emotion, not motivational fluff, says that faithful work under him carries reward. So today, good people, stay in it. Don't lose heart. The work that you're doing, it matters. Peace and God bless.